Hello reception. Today we are doing pattern. A pattern is something which repeats itself again and again and again and again and again. So let's start with a colour pattern. It says, what is special about the way I have ordered these counters? Now, can you say them with me? Say the colours. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. What comes next? Lift it up, let's see. A red, and then a yellow. So our pattern is one red, then one yellow. Draw a line to show it. One red, then one yellow. One red, then one yellow. One red, then one yellow. Tell your grown-up what comes next. Is it red or yellow? One red and then another yellow. Let's have a go at a different one. And it says, what is special about the way I have ordered these counters? Again, say it with me. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red. What comes next? You've got a choice of a green or a red. Give me a thumbs up when I get to the right one. This one or this one? Let's try this one. Say it with me. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, red. Is that right? Can you see two reds together anywhere else in the pattern? No. Okay, I'll move that back. I made a mistake, doesn't matter. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Let's try the next one. A little bit more complicated, don't panic. Let's work it out. Say it with me. Red, red, yellow. Red, red, yellow. Bring this up. Red, red, yellow. Red, red, yellow. What comes next? Tell you grown up. Red. Then another red. Then yellow. Let's check. I'm going to draw a line between the parts of the pattern. Red, red, yellow. Red, red, yellow. Red, red, yellow. So our pattern is two reds followed by one yellow. Two reds followed by one yellow. Two reds followed by one yellow. So if I did continue it further, I would have one more red, another red, and then yellow. What's special about the way I've ordered these counters? Three colours now, getting harder. Say it with me. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow. What comes next? Can you tell your grown-up what comes next in the pattern? Is it red? Let's see. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow, red. Can you see a red coming after a yellow anywhere else in our pattern? No. What comes after the yellow in our pattern? This one it's a green, in this one it's a green, so I need to put a green, and then a red, and then yellow. So our pattern was a green, then one red, then one yellow. One green, one red, one yellow. One green, one red, one yellow. One green, one red, one yellow. Hard to say that, isn't it? Let's have a go at some shapes. What's my shape? It's got three sides, three corners. It's a triangle. So I've got a triangle and I've got some, I think these are hard to tell between a square and a rectangle. Looks a bit more stretched out. I think it's going to be a rectangle because two of the sides are a little bit longer. Okay, say it with me. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. What comes next in the pattern? Do we have a rectangle or a triangle? Can you tell you're grown up? It's a triangle and then a rectangle. Let's check. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. So our pattern was one triangle followed by one rectangle. One pattern followed by one rectangle. On and on and on. Repeating itself again and again and again and again and again. That's what patterns are. They just keep going. It says, what is wrong with my pattern? Let's have a look. Can you say the pattern with me? Tell me the colours. Red, green, green. Red, green, green. Red, green, yellow. Doesn't look right, does it? Can you tell your grown up what's wrong with my pattern? Should the yellow be there? Can you see a yellow anywhere else in the pattern? No. Okay, let's take the yellow away. And let's see what choice of colours we've got. We've got green, red and a yellow. Now try and say the pattern with me. Red, green, green, red, green, green, red, green. Tell you grown up what's next in my pattern. It's green. Because our pattern is one red followed by two greens. One red followed by two greens. One red followed by two greens. Now we're going to go outside and have a go at making patterns outside. So you can make patterns with anything. You could use, well, you could get some felt tip pens and make patterns using the colours of felt tip pens. You could do that on a strip of paper, or you could get Lego. If you've got Lego, and do colour patterns with Lego. If you've got some cutlery, some knives and forks and spoons, you can make a pattern with those. You can make it with anything. Let's go outside and I'm going to choose some things to make my patterns with outside. So I'm outside and I'm going to try and make some patterns outside. I've got, what shapes are these? Cones. Cones, flowers, rocks, pens. So I'm going to start off with one. Cone, rock, cone, rock, cone. Tell your grown-ups what comes next in my pattern. I'm going to point, you tell me, you give me a thumbs up if I get it right. Pens, rocks, flowers, cones. Rock, because our pattern is a cone, then a rock, a cone, then a rock, a cone, then a rock, a cone, then a rock. Let's try a different one. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. What comes next in my pattern? Can you tell you're grown up? Is it a pen? Let's check. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. Pen. Have you seen a pen anywhere else in the pattern? can't be a pen. Cone, cone, rock, cone, cone, rock, cone, cone, rock. What comes next in the pattern? Let me draw it and see if this helps. Cone, cone, rock, cone, cone, rock, cone, cone, rock. So what comes next? Our pattern is 2 cones and then a rock. So I put another cone and another cone and then a rock. Let's check it. Say it with me. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. Cone, cone, rock. We got it. I've turned the paper over. Cone, rock, pen. Cone, rock, pen. Stay there. Cone, rock. What comes in my next pattern? Give me a thumbs up when I get to the right one. Is it flowers? Can you see any flowers in our pattern? Any cones? Any rocks? Any pens? Let's say it again. Cone, rock, pen. Cone, rock, pen. Cone, rock. What comes next? It's a pen, because our pattern is a cone followed by a rock followed by a pen. Cone, then a rock, then a pen. A cone, then a rock, then a pen. So to carry it on, we would have another cone, another rock, and another pen.